or specifically, I'm sorry, making autos, right? You just say make auto, all this stuff. I actually want to return your attention for a moment to Manny's pizza order structure, and which had, I think it was the kind of pizza and the size of the pizza and the number of pizzas in the order.
Cost.
I'll leave it with that. If defines what? All right. Well, here I'll replace it with cost. Okay. So, what function do I use to make an auto? Louder. Make auto. Yeah. Make auto makes an auto. What function do you think I would use to make an order? Make order. Yeah. So I would write.
Make order.
Let's do the contract for it. Where's my black marker? Here it is. Yeah. So make order is the name of the function. How many things are in its domain? Raise your hand if you think you know how many things are in make order's domain. One person knows. How many things do you need to give to make order? 2 people know. We got 3, 4, 5. Oliver, how many things are in the domain? More than 1, yes. Yuritsa? 3. How do you know that there are 3 things in make order's domain? Beautiful. All right, what's the first thing? What kind of data is the first thing?
A string.
It's a string. And how do you know it's a string? Yeah. Okay. Henry, what's the type of the second thing in make order's domain?
Number.
Okay, how come?
Questions?
What is the second thing in an order? In a pizza order? The first thing is the kind. What's the second thing?
Size.
Okay, and what type of data is the size? You want to use a number for size?
Yes.
Okay. And what's the third thing, Kyle, in an order?
The third thing in an order is string number.
Number. Why?
String number.
Nope.
It says defined struct order, you have to have it in a certain order.
And how come the third thing is a number? What is the third thing in an order? It's written up there. Cost. And what type of data would you use for the cost of a pizza order? A number. Yeah. Okay. If you yeah, I kind of like the idea. Did everybody hear what he just said? Say it louder. That was really good. He thinks we should use a string for size, because you would say large, medium, or small. I think that's a really good idea. Okay, so, make auto. If you gave it a model, a horsepower, rims, color, and cost, what did it give you back? Find out.
Order.
Okay, make order. If you give it a string, and a number, a kind, a size, and a cost, what does it give you back?
Order.
An order. Good. Okay. So you're getting the idea of how to make things, right? So we're making autos, we're making orders. That's all fine and good. Let's go back to our auto. Now, so that's how we make autos. What if we want to get something out of an auto? What if I just want to get the color out of an auto? This is something you're going to want to write down. Actually, let's start with model. Let's say I want to get the model out of an auto. There's a function called auto model. If you give it an auto, it'll tell you the model. What type of data is model?
Auto.
Model.
String.
What type of data is model?
Auto.
It's a string,
Shell.
right? And look, it says up here, model is the very first thing.
Oh.
Very first thing is a string. So if you give it an auto, it will give you back a string. Please copy this into your contracts. Auto model. The domain is an auto, the range is a string. Auto model. Auto model takes in an auto and gives you a string. And when you've written that down, I'd like you to turn your eyes to the projector. What will happen if I give car1 to auto model? Raise your hand when you think you have an idea for what it will give you back. And actually confer with your partner. Think about it. What will I get back if I give car1 to auto model? Check with your partner. Think about it. Yes. And which string? What do you think the string will be? No, my God. What do you think the string contract for auto model?
It gives you a string.
Yeah, so which string is it going to give us?
Look at car1.
Just the car on the string. Just the car string. Well, the car is made up of
You think it'll give you back everything?
auto model.
But it only gives us back one string.
It'll give you one of those.
So what do you think it will give you back?
Yeah, what do you think they have besides that?
Color.
You think it's going to return the color? What would you think?
It's going to give you one.
Monitor's on. Try it out.
Yeah, let's see. I think we got some good nonsense and mixed up. Okay, let's try it. Auto model, color 1. Let's go ahead and type auto model. Where do we type that into the Now, okay, how would we get out what you wanted? What did you want to get out? Alright, now Jenny, would you change everything to his So we know how to make an auto by giving it all the pieces, and we're going to have an auto turn around and pull all the pieces out. What other pieces?
If they switch to any of their other ones, like the resident stuff,
Of course, they would have a different. We could do
and
it.
if they haven't saved to that.
Full horsepower. One of the other ones.
You do car 4. Let's get the model out of car 4. Once you've gotten the auto model out of car 1, try car 2, try car 3, try car 4. Try it.
Price, cost.
All right. Once you've done all this stuff, turn your monitors off. You've taken the model out of each of the cars. Turn the monitors off. You guys sit there. Okay. Eyes up here, please. All right. I know I'm pushing you hard here, but I'm gonna try to make a jump. How would I get the horsepower out of an auto? You've got 3 hands. We're starting with the pattern. Okay. Han, was your hand up? I think it was. Yeah. You're Han, right? Yes. Okay. Don't scare me like that.
I know it's
Don't you dare. All right. What is the name of the function that will get the horsepower out of an auto?
Auto HP.
Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay. Someone else. What is in the domain of auto HP? 2 hands, 3 hands. Manny. Not quite.
Auto.
Oliver. Auto. You give it an auto, it gives you back the horsepower. So Manny, the range is number. Okay? Let's try again. How would I get the, raise your hand if you can tell me how I would get the rims out of an auto. I want to see hands if you think you know how you'd get the rims out of an auto. Okay, a couple more this time around. No idea?
Yes.
That's all right. Mara. Auto dash rims. And Henry, what is the domain for auto rims?
Auto?
Very good, auto. You give it an auto, it gives you back the rims. So the range is what, Bonnell? Good, because the rims is a number. Okay? Hopefully we'll have more hands this time. Raise your hand if you think you would know how to get the color out of an auto. How would I get the color out of an auto? Melody. I can't hear you. Yes, auto color. And new, what is in the domain for auto color? An auto? What's the range? String. How come it's a string? Yeah, because the color is a string. All right. When I say go, I would like you to write down these contracts and then take 5 minutes to just play around. Try to get as many things out of your cars as possible in the interactions window. I want to see at least one example of using each of these. Yes, write them down. And as soon as you've written them down, actually call one of us over, so we'll give you the okay. And once you've written them down, monitor's on, try it out. Go.
monitor's on.